If you want to know how to archive completed tasks in Todoist, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the fastest way to clear finished work from your task list and also the little shortcut that helps you archive subtasks even faster. This is one of those simple Todoist features that can save you time every single day, especially if you use Todoist to manage work, school, personal tasks, or team projects. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, let's talk about main tasks. In Todoist, you do not need to look for a separate archive button when a task is finished. Instead, all you need to do is click the completion circle next to the task. The moment you click that checkbox circle, Todoist marks the task as complete and archives it immediately. So if you've ever wondered where the archive option is, this is it. For normal tasks, that simple click is all it takes. This is really helpful because it keeps your list clean without any extra steps. You finish a task, click the circle, and it disappears from your active view. That means you can move on to the next thing without stopping to manage completed items manually. If you're working through a long to-do list, this small habit can make your workflow feel much smoother and much more organized. Now let's move on to subtasks, because this is where people sometimes get confused. By default, when you check off a subtask in Todoist, it gets marked done, but it may still remain visible underneath the parent task. That means it doesn't always disappear right away the same way a main task does. So if you just click the subtask circle normally, you may notice it stays on screen, which can make your project look a little cluttered. If you want to bypass that and instantly archive a subtask out of sight, there's a very simple shortcut. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while clicking the Subtasks checkbox circle. That action tells Todoist to complete the subtask and hide it immediately, so it's archived out of the way instead of staying visible under the parent task. This is especially useful if you want your task list to look cleaner while you're working through a larger project. So the basic rule is simple. For main tasks, just click the completion circle and Todoist archives them right away. For subtasks, if you want them to disappear immediately, hold Shift and click the circle. That small difference is the key to managing completed work more efficiently inside Todoist. If you're someone who likes keeping your task manager neat and distraction-free, this shortcut is definitely worth remembering. It helps you stay focused on what still needs to be done instead of seeing a bunch of completed items sitting underneath your projects. And once you get used to it, it becomes second nature. So now you know exactly how to archive completed tasks in Todoist the smart way. Remember, no separate archive button is needed for main tasks, and Shift plus click is the shortcut for subtasks you want hidden immediately. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.